Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 8th. Today's topic is cube root, it's part 2. So let's begin. Write down in practice set 3.3. Second question is simplify. Write down this question, simplify. First example we will take. Under cube root, 27 by 125. In the last lecture, we have learned that to find cube root of any numbers, we need to find first factors. We have learned factorization method. First, find the factors of 27, 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. These group of numbers or factors we get for number 27. Similarly, we will find factors for number 125. Take this number down, 125. Yes, 125 is cube of 5. So 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. These are factors of number 125. We got factors for numerator as well as denominator. What you will do now, take this question down on left side. Under cube root, 27 upon 125 equals, under cube root, 3 into 3 into 3 upon 5 into 5 into 5. Next step is, so we have to take one number from each group. So
Sir,
we have
to
group
write.
of 3. Yes, I will give some time to write it. First you just concentrate on this sum. We have a group of 3, we have group of 5. We have to take one number from each group. Put equal sign. Take 3 from this group of 3 and take 5 from a group of 5. And now when you take one number from the group outside, that time this cube root sign goes. It means we have taken cube root. Question we will write on left side. Under cube root, 27 by 125. Answer is 3 upon 5. You can put box for your answer. Example number 2. Under cube root, 16 upon 54. First step is to solve these sums we need to take numerator first, then denominator second, and we have to find the factors of given number. Numerator is 16, so factors are 8 into 2. Factors of 8, directly I am taking 3 factors, 2 into 2 into 2, and this fourth 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So 4 times 2 are the factors of 16. Similarly, take 54. I will write here 16 again. Factors of 54 is 27 into 2. 27 2s are 54. We know that 27 is cube of 3. Hence, factors of 27, 3 into 3 into 3. These 3 factors for 27 and this 2 as it is down. So factors of 54, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. Once you got factor of numerator and factors of denominator, take the question down under cube root 16 by 54 equals, take again under cube root, factors of 16 are 4 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Factors of 54, 3 times 3 and 1 time 2. 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. Under cube root 16 by 54. Now, concentrate on upper factors and lower factors. There is one common digit up also and down also. Type your answer in the comment box, in the chat box. Which is that number, that digit, which is common up and down? Only one digit is there. Yes, very good. Digit 2 is there, which appears up and down as a common. Take your pencil, circle this 2 and cut it. As we can do this simplification, it is called reduction of the fraction. To simplify the sum, always we have to reduce the numbers. Once you have cut this upper digit 2 and lower digit 2, I'm telling, we can cut this, as both numbers are divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. So remaining factors are 3 times 2 and 3 times 3. Now it's easy to take one digit out of this cube root from this upper group and from this lower group. Put equal sign. Therefore, in the numerator we will take 2 and in the denominator we will take 3. Again, I am telling this, sometimes by mistakenly some students do mistake. They write this answer, but again they put this cube root sign. If you will put cube root sign here, then your answer will be wrong. So be careful. and you can draw a box for your answer. Now third sum we will take. If under cube root seven hundred and 29 equals 9.
Sir, we have to write this.
Yes, write down. Then under cube root 0.000729 equals question mark. In first part of question, one number is given under cube root and its answer is given. Meaning of this cube root of 729 is 9, or 9 is
Yes, sir.
9's cube is 729 and 729's cube root is 9. Understand what I'm saying? If you multiply 3 times 9, we got 729, and when we find the factors of 729, we get 3 times 9, and when we remove this symbol, we get 1 time 9. In this way, 9's cube is 729, 729's cube root is 9. If 9 is answer for this cube root, this number, then they have asked what will be the cube root of 0.000729. In the last lecture, I have taught, while finding the cube of numbers, we have taken 3 conditions. First one is simple cube, second was negative number, and third was fraction, decimal point was there. If after decimal point 1 digit will be there, then in the cube of that number after decimal point there will be 3 digits. If in the given question after decimal point 2 digits will be there, and if we have to find its cube, then in the answer there will be 6 digits after decimal point. Did you remember this thing? I have asked you question also in that lecture, and many have given answers in the chat box. After decimal point, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there, then what will be the cube root and how many digits will be there altogether after decimal point in cube root? Now take this number as it is down. Under cube root 0.000729 equals we have to write 0.09 into 0.09 into 0.09. After decimal points, here 2 digits, here 2 digits, and here also 2 digits. All together 6 digits should be there, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 digits are there. And as it says in the question itself, cube root of 729 is 9. Therefore, we have taken 9 for this 729. Now, take this again, 0.00079 equals. We have group of 3 numbers which are same, which are equal. So take one number outside so that we can remove the symbol of cube root. Therefore, answer is 0.09. One extra question. Be ready to write the answer, to type the answer in the chat box. Extra question is related to this question itself. And question is, what if, type it fast, 0.7 to 9. What will be the answer? 0.9 is the correct answer. I said you have to see these. How many digits are there that you have to see? Because we have to take 3 times of your answer. Next question. Now tell the answer. Before writing the answer, you see the question properly. Yes, Amjad, Fizal, Navnidan, Sarthak, Shruti, Prachiti. Yes, many are giving correct answers. It means you understood all these 3 sums. Yes, the names are going very fast, so I can't shout out everybody's name. So stop typing the answer. And you know that only I take first few names. There should be only 0.009. Here total 9 digits. Here should be 3 digits. There should be perfect correlation between the cube root and cube. So that's all for today's lecture.
Thank you very much for watching this video. God bless you all.
You may leave the class. Thank you very much.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Yes,
sir.
goodbye. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Bye.